It's May 17th, 2026, and I'm positioned near St. Libory, Nebraska, intercepting a violent, career-defining tornado. But little do I know that exactly 1 month later, I chase a tornado even better. 2 tornadoes, exactly 1 month apart. Here is the story. May 17th, 2026, moderate risk for severe weather, including the likelihood of several intense tornadoes, is honing in on eastern Nebraska. The ceiling is quite high, though a crashing cold front is starting to cast doubt on the overall setup. But as moisture surges northward and the atmosphere visually ripens, I choose to stick it out in eastern Nebraska. By early afternoon, a thunderstorm with a rotating updraft, a supercell, explodes to my west and it's game on. After struggling at first, the storm gets a kick from an approaching cold front and quickly develops a strong tornado. What are we doing, guys? Why are you running out in front of me? Tornado on the ground. Tornado. Wow. Actually a strong tornado now. I'm gonna turn left. This one's strong. This one's strong, guys. This one's a strong tornado. It's actually coming right at me. I gotta get out of here. I have to carefully choose my positioning here. I don't trust this tornado given its proximity to the cold front. Tornadoes like this are known to move unpredictably. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. Right now. Right now. Gotta get out. Oh, tornado coming right at me. Strong tornado. Horizontal vortices. Oh my gosh. Big time tornado. That one's very strong. Listen to it more. All right. Yeah. I gotta be careful it doesn't occlude. It's dissipating. No, it's not. Listen to that thing. Listen to it. Holy crap. After intercepting this tornado at the perfect angle and range, I'm sure nothing in 2026 is going to top this. Then just 1 month later, June 17th happens. Similar to a month prior, the Storm Prediction Center issues an elevated level 4 out of 5 moderate risk, this time for central Illinois. But considerable uncertainty remains. If a morning line of storm sticks around too long, it'll rob the atmosphere of energy, zapping the tornado potential. But if it clears out fast enough and we get some sun, the ceiling for this event is quite honestly incredible. But by mid-afternoon, it's still raining, and the uncertainty is growing, but I remain hopeful given the setup at hand. I'm coming to you from just east of Decatur, Illinois, where you can still see we have overcast and kind of rainy skies from this complex of thunderstorms that has been moving from west to east across the state of Illinois and Indiana this morning.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys today here. The ceiling for today is an outbreak of intense to violent, long tracking tornadoes from a group of supercells that is expected to fire here in the next 4-ish hours in central and western Illinois. But with that ceiling of today, we also have a floor, and the floor of today's event is just a couple embedded tornadoes in a line of storms. Now, right now, I think we're gonna land somewhere in the middle. I'm not expecting us to reach the ceiling of today's event because this cloud cover is just not getting it done. I don't think we're gonna warm up enough to fully realize that intense to violent tornado outbreak. Now, I do think an isolated intense tornado is not only possible but likely today. We have a very impressive kinematics. Kinematics is like the wind field. So the winds from the surface up to very high in the atmosphere are very favorable for tornadoes today, especially across eastern Illinois and western Indiana.
Soon after posting this update video, storms begin to fire. So when I see a storm explode to my west, it's time. Me, my dad, and 2 friends, each on their first chase, are about to witness one of the most incredible tornadoes of 2026. By committing to a hook slice maneuver and coming out north of the tornado, we get the highest contrast view the storm has to offer.
I'd be surprised if this one is a long tracking. You can put your phone down. I'll send you the video. Keeping it right on that. You can zoom in too at the top. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Woo! Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. This one's gonna be long tracking.
That was close, dude.
That was so scary. You can put it. You can screw it back in there.
Yeah.
Justin,
Look how close that one was
I know.
to your left.
Yeah. I'm gonna sit right here and wait till it gets a little bit closer to go south so I can get a better read on it. Actually, now's a good time. All right, this has got to be
We're close.
It would be great if the four of us could get a picture together. Get a picture.
We're pretty close, bro.
We're fine. This is nothing. Get out. We're getting a picture. Get a picture. Come on. Hurry!
Hey, you got the camera? Come on. All right, hurry. Come on, guys. Down this road. Go safely.
Let's go! Here we go, Seth.
Dude.
Just incredible, Seth.
Wow.
Follow my lead. Here.
Mikey, that's enough.
Dad, we're totally good here, I promise. This thing is as steady state as they get. Dad, trust me. It's right there, Seth. Yep.
Mikey's flying in the trees. You're about ready to get hit with it.
Stop it. There it is. Incredible tornado.
We good?
Totally good.
To keep going though?
Seth. Look at that suction board. Right here. I'm gonna get to this
That-
oil. Right here.
Yeah.
Well, we plan on driving into this or what?
Wow. You want to move this for me right now? Right now? Right now, put it on it? No, 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 no. You got to unscrew it or else it's just going to...
This is awesome. We are the only ones on this storm, bud.
Here we go. Watch out, watch out.
Watch for more power lines are fine, right?
Taking a left up here. Big time tornado. Big time tornado.
Dude, this is like slow and beautiful.
And you know, I just realized this like a couple weeks ago. It hit me. These two tornadoes, two of my better tornado intercepts of 2026, they were on the same day of opposite months, exactly 1 month apart. One was on May 17th in St. Libory, Nebraska, and the other on June 17th in Effingham, Illinois, which is honestly, I don't know, it kind of shocked me. I don't know why, but them happening exactly 1 month apart and two of my top 5 tornado intercepts of 2026 is just kind of funny. What a coincidence. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As many of you already know, I will be heading to Brazil here in less than a month to chase tornadoes for 9 days. So like I said, if you haven't yet and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Turn the notifications on, as I will be streaming several times probably before I even get to Brazil. Then we will be streaming every day there. But as always, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for tuning in.